Residential window replacement in Washington, D.C. starts with precise planning, accurate measuring, and the right product selection for your property. Home window replacement in Washington, D.C. can improve comfort, curb appeal, and performance for row homes, townhouses, condos, and single-family houses across Capitol Hill, Northwest Washington, D.C., and the D.C. metro area. Window replacement contractors in Washington, D.C. often recommend energy-efficient windows, double-pane window replacement, insulated window systems, and weatherproof window sealing to reduce drafts and improve year-round efficiency. For homeowners seeking premium replacement windows in Washington, D.C., custom residential windows Washington, D.C. options can match architectural character while supporting modern window styles, window upgrade services in Washington, D.C. homes, and long-term durability. Residential windows in Washington, D.C. deserve expert installation from local window installers in Washington, D.C. who understand historic details and local building needs. Many homeowners also choose Entry Doors Washington, D.C. solutions alongside window upgrades to create a more attractive and energy-efficient exterior. Window installation in Northwest Washington, D.C. often requires a tailored approach because homes there range from classic brick residences to updated modern properties. House window installation in D.C. metro area projects may include casement window replacement, bay window installation, awning window installation, and sliding window replacement depending on layout and ventilation goals. Replacement windows near Capitol Hill. Washington, D.C. frequently demand historic sensitivity, making historic home window replacement Washington, D.C. an important service for preserving charm while adding performance. Window measurement and installation must be exact to support window frame replacement in Washington, D.C., and custom window fitting when openings are uneven or aging. Residential window specialists in Washington, D.C. can also advise on modern residential windows Washington, D.C., soundproof windows Washington, D.C., and weather-resistant windows Washington, D.C. for busy urban streets and changing seasonal conditions. Energy-efficient window replacement DC is one of the strongest upgrades for property owners who want lower utility bills and better indoor comfort. Double-pane replacement windows Washington, D.C., insulated window systems, and vinyl replacement windows can all help improve thermal performance while supporting quiet interiors with noise-reducing windows Washington, D.C. For homes with older glazing, broken window replacement and window glass replacement Washington, D.C. restore safety and function quickly. Window retrofit solutions are often ideal when a full tear-out is not necessary, especially for homeowners looking for affordable window replacement Washington, D.C. without sacrificing quality. House window replacement in D.C. metro area projects can also benefit from weatherproof window sealing and window trim replacement, creating a polished finish that improves appearance and prevents moisture intrusion throughout the Washington, D.C. climate. Many renovation projects also include Entry Doors Washington, D.C. upgrades to further improve efficiency, security, and curb appeal. Custom window fitting is essential for properties that need exact measurements, distinctive shapes, or preservation-friendly upgrades. Wood window replacement may be preferred for traditional homes, while vinyl window replacement Washington, D.C. area solutions are popular for low maintenance and strong value. New construction windows can also be used in major remodels, additions, and full exterior upgrades where performance and design flexibility matter most. Window upgrade services in Washington, D.C. homes often combine replacement windows, framework, and finishing details to create a seamless transformation. For owners comparing options, residential window replacement Washington, D.C. specialists can recommend casement window replacement for airflow, bay window installation for increased space and natural light, and sliding window replacement for practical everyday use. Local expertise matters when choosing replacement window contractors in Washington, D.C. who understand both aesthetics and energy goals. Weather-resistant windows Washington, D.C. are especially important for homes exposed to wind, rain, humidity, and shifting temperatures throughout the year. Window glass replacement Washington, D.C. services can address cracked panes, fogged glass, and damaged seals before minor issues become larger problems. Entry door and window replacement. Washington, D.C. is a smart way to improve a home's envelope, boost security, and upgrade exterior appearance at the same time. For homeowners searching for house window replacement in D.C. metro area, combining entry doors Washington, D.C. with replacement windows can streamline the project and create a more cohesive look. Window replacement for D.C. row homes often involves careful coordination around masonry, trim, and historic details, making experienced residential window specialists in Washington, D.C. especially valuable for accurate recommendations and clean installation. Modern window styles are increasingly popular among homeowners who want sleek lines, better visibility, and enhanced performance. Residential windows in Washington, D.C. can be designed to fit contemporary spaces while still aligning with neighborhood character and property value goals. Premium replacement windows in Washington, D.C. may include advanced glass packages, low-maintenance frames, and improved locking systems for stronger security and comfort. Energy-efficient windows are a top priority for many buyers because they support heating and cooling savings while improving everyday livability. Home window replacement Washington, D.C. projects often include custom residential windows Washington, D.C. for unusual openings, historic dimensions, or unique style preferences. Whether the goal is soundproof windows Washington, D.C. for quieter living, double-pane replacement windows Washington, D.C. for insulation, or vinyl window replacement Washington, D.C. area for durability, the right solution should fit the home and the homeowner's priorities. Window glass replacement Washington, D.C. is often the fastest way to restore a damaged window without replacing the entire unit. Broken window replacement, window frame, and weatherproof window sealing can solve common problems caused by age, impact, or seal failure. Residential window replacement Washington, D.C. services may also include window trim replacement to refresh the interior and exterior finish after installation. Replacement windows near Capitol Hill, Washington, D.C. often need careful handling because older homes may have custom dimensions, wood detailing, or strict preservation requirements. Window installation in Northwest Washington, D.C. can involve energy-efficient window replacement D.C. choices that support comfort in both summer heat and winter cold. With proper planning, window replacement contractors in Washington, D.C. can deliver house window installation, custom window fitting, and window retrofit solutions that improve value, appearance, and daily performance. Replacement windows near Capitol Hill, Washington, D.C. should balance beauty, efficiency, and long-term reliability for distinctive urban homes. Home window replacement in Washington, D.C. can include a wide range of styles, from casement window replacement and awning window installation to bay window installation and sliding window replacement. Residential window replacement Washington, D.C. buyers often compare vinyl replacement windows, wood window replacement, and new construction windows to find the best fit for their architecture and budget. Window measurement and installation are critical for successful results, especially when coordinating with entry doors Washington, D.C., window trim replacement, and other exterior upgrades. For homeowners wanting window upgrade services in Washington, D.C. homes, local window installers in Washington, D.C. can provide affordable window replacement Washington, D.C., premium replacement windows in Washington, D.C., and residential windows in Washington, D.C. built for performance, style, and lasting comfort. Entry doors Washington, D.C. pair perfectly with residential window replacement Washington, D.C. when homeowners want a complete curb appeal and efficiency upgrade. Combining entry door and window replacement Washington, D.C. services can improve comfort, security, and property value across Northwest Washington, D.C., Capitol Hill, Washington, D.C., and the D.C. metro area. From custom residential windows Washington, D.C. to premium replacement windows in Washington, D.C., coordinated improvements create a stronger exterior look, better insulation, and more consistent performance throughout the home. Energy-efficient windows are a smart choice for home window replacement Washington, D.C. and energy-efficient window replacement D.C. projects in older homes, modern residential windows Washington, D.C. properties, and new construction windows alike. Insulated window systems, double-pane replacement windows Washington, D.C., weather-resistant windows Washington, D.C., and weatherproof window sealing help reduce drafts and lower energy costs. Homeowners searching for vinyl replacement windows, wood window replacement, or vinyl window replacement Washington, D.C. area options can also benefit from noise-reducing windows Washington, D.C. and soundproof windows for quieter interiors. Window replacement contractors in Washington, D.C. and local window installers in Washington, D.C. provide house window installation, window measurement and installation, and custom window fitting for a wide range of styles and needs. Whether the project calls for casement window replacement, bay window installation, awning window installation, sliding window replacement, or window retrofit solutions, professional replacement window contractors can match the right product to the home. Residential window specialists in Washington, D.C. also handle broken window replacement, window glass replacement Washington, D.C., and window frame with precision. Historic home window replacement Washington, D.C. requires a careful balance of preservation and performance, especially for window replacement for D.C. row homes and homes near Capitol Hill, Washington, D.C. Window trim replacement, window frame replacement in Washington, D.C., and custom residential windows Washington, D.C. can maintain architectural character while adding modern efficiency. For property owners seeking residential windows in Washington, D.C. that complement traditional facades, wood window replacement and modern window styles can be tailored to meet both design and code requirements. Affordable window replacement Washington, D.C. solutions are available for homeowners who want lasting value without sacrificing quality. House window replacement in D.C. metro area projects often include residential window replacement, home window replacement Washington, D.C., and window upgrade services in Washington, D.C. homes to enhance insulation, appearance, and function. Replacement windows near Capitol Hill, Washington, D.C. and window installation in Northwest Washington, D.C. frequently include double-pane window replacement, residential windows in Washington, D.C., and custom-fit upgrades designed for long-term durability. Window upgrade services, window glass replacement, and residential window replacement all work together to improve daily living in Washington, D.C. homes. From replacement windows near Capitol Hill, Washington, D.C. to window replacement contractors in Washington, D.C. serving the broader region, homeowners can choose from insulated window systems, modern window styles, and affordable window replacement Washington, D.C. options. Whether the need is residential window replacement Washington, D.C., house window installation, or complete window replacement for D.C. row homes, the right team delivers stronger performance, better aesthetics, and dependable results. Pairing these improvements with entry doors Washington, D.C. can further enhance the home's appearance, energy efficiency, and long-term value.